To make a full screen background image, and we're going to place it on our little Bootstrap sticky nav page. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to Google and go to images and do a search for I guess space background. And then what I want to do is, I always, if I'm going to use a background, I like to get a large one. So under Tools here, where it says Tools, I can click it and go to Size, go to Large, and it will help me kind of find just the large one. So I'm going to go, let's see here. I'll just go to this space one right here. And what I like to do is click on it, right click, and say Open Image in New Tab. So when I do that, it creates a new tab. Now this one's only 300 by 168. So that is in no way large. So let me try that again. It looks like it wants me to visit. Let me do city. All right, and then again, Tools, Size, Large. And I will click here. I'll say Open Image in New Tab. There's my new tab. Okay. And I will right click and Save Image As. And I will, let's see where I put it here. Okay, I will just call it city, and I'll put it in documents or downloads right now. Okay, and I forget where, so I'll go back into here. Here's my file right here, my sticky nav, and I will say Reveal in Finder, and it is in downloads, a folder called Just Sticky Nav, and there it is, and that's where I want to put the image. So I had it in downloads, so I'm just going to keep this open. And go to downloads. There's this, oh, it's a web. Ooh, a web2. So I'm going to grab another picture. I'll keep this open. So let me do this one. And again, I will right click, Open Image in New Tab. There's the new tab. There's the image. Save Image As. It's a, oh, web2. Come on. Those are difficult to work with. Well, let's see. Let's see. I would call it city. I'll put it in downloads, or actually, I can put it right where the file is. Here it is, Just Sticky Nav, and then call it city.web2. And then let's see. I'm going to use the technique that we learned in Web 1. And it's mainly because we're going to use the HTML tag to place the image, and that will free up the body tag. So if we still want to use the body tag for a variety of things, we can. So I'm going to go to CSS tricks, and then full page background right there, full page background. CSS tricks, full page background. When I click it, there is coding that we're just going to copy and use here, right here. I'm going to highlight it, and copy it, and then I'm going to go into Atom. Now remember, we made a sticky nav .css file. Okay, and it's right over here, stickynav.css. So, and we would color the nav bar. Now let's go back. I'm going to get rid of these here. And I'm going to say HTML background URL, and it's just looking for the image because I placed it where the web page is. So it's actually, this file is inside a CSS folder. So what I need to do is go // city2 webp and get rid of the JPEG. We'll see if that works. Okay, and I'll save it, and then I'll go to just sticky nav and reveal in Finder and double click it, and yes, look at that. There it is right there. Now I took away the colors for the sticky nav, but yeah, there's the image right there. And again, anytime when you want to use the body tag for anything, we have that available to us because we're using the HTML tag to place the background, the image as the background for the whole HTML area, which is the whole web page. But we're not using the body tag, so there you go. So that's the sticky nav. Notice the graphic comes up when it gets a certain width. Okay. That's the brand right there. These are the li tags here. This is the little icon bar graphic of three little lines. There you go. Okay, and then